The 2023-2025 Hyundai Palisade features a full-size spare tire mounted underneath the vehicle, accessible from the rear. The spare tire is secured by a winch mechanism under the rear bumper. The jack and lug wrench are located in a hidden compartment under the rear cargo floor. Lift the floor mat to access them. To remove the spare, locate the bolt or wing nut near the tire winch under the bumper. Turn it counterclockwise to lower the tire. Understand the parts to make the process easier and ensure that you never jack the vehicle up on an unlevel surface. Park your Palisade on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and use wheel chocks for safety. Remove the wheel cover if equipped, and loosen the lug nuts slightly using the lug wrench. Position the jack at the designated jacking point on the vehicle's frame near the flat tire, then raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Fully remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. Mount the spare tire, hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern, and lower the vehicle. Once lowered, fully tighten the lug nuts with the lug wrench. It is best to use the spare tire for temporary use only. Keep speeds under 50 miles per hour for less than 50 miles.